In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use available server on Proton VPN. If you're using Proton VPN on Windows or Mac, the process is very simple, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few moments to connect. The goal here is to open the app, find the list of servers, choose one that is available, and confirm that the connection is active. To begin, open Proton VPN on your computer. On Windows, you can do this from the Start menu, and on Mac, you can open it from Launchpad. Once the app launches, sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Make sure you allow the app a moment to fully load so that all menus and connection options appear correctly. After you're inside the app, go to the server list. On the left side, you'll usually see options like countries or servers. Click on one of those sections to browse what's available. Give it a few seconds if needed because the app may need a moment to load the latest list of available servers. This is important, especially if server availability or load is updating in real time. Now it's time to choose a server. Start by picking the country you want to connect through, such as the United States, Japan, or another location from the list. Once you open that country's server options, look for a server marked as available or one that shows a low load. A lower load server can often provide better performance, so that's usually a good option if you want a smoother connection. When you find the server you want, click on it to select it. Next, connect to that server by clicking Connect. After that, wait a few seconds while Proton VPN establishes the connection. During this moment, the app may show that it is connecting, so just give it a little time. Once the connection is successful, you should see a connected status in the app. Finally, confirm that everything worked correctly. Check the top area of the Proton VPN app. It should display the country name, the server number, and a connected status. That confirms that you are now successfully connected to the server you selected. As a quick tip, if one available server seems slow or busy, you can return to the list and try another available option with lower load. That can help improve speed and stability without changing the overall process. And that's how to use available server on Proton VPN on Windows or Mac.